Hi guys, wanted to go ahead and do this quick video to show you some cute DIY Halloween cups that we made. It's going to actually be for a game. I actually got this idea from another homeschool mom. I guess they had like a fall video or Halloween video of different activities for kids and stuff. So I got this deal at H-E-B on the cups. And so it was a pretty good deal. And so we decided to use it to make this game. And so I just printed off a bunch of little eyes and little scary mouths and stuff, and so the kids decided to make this. So my daughter ended up making a vampire
girl.
My son ended up making
a
zombie, and my daughter made this one over here.
And look.
Baby, if you change it, you're gonna drop it. And then I made a spider, and my son and I ended up making a mummy. And then this one right here is a witch. So it's actually pretty cool. So anyway, so then we get a ball, and we just end up.
Gonna show you.
We just end up
You know what happened to the other
dropping all the things, kind of like if it was bowling, you know.
Ready, guys? Okay.
So it's actually kind of a fun activity for the kids. Okay guys, so some of the things you're going to need are some construction paper. I got this one at the 99-cent store. You're going to need these cups right here. And I just printed off a bunch of different mouths and some different eyes from Google. You can just Google funny eyes or scary Halloween mouths and it should pop up. And then we used some Sharpies also. We used some glue sticks. Just these, I got these at the Dollar Tree. I ended up using some tape, and we needed some scissors, and that's pretty much it. For the mummy, we did end up using some toilet paper, but I ended up cutting it. So anyway, I thought it would be fun to show you guys this quick little activity for the kids, and they really liked it. She ended up doing it double-sided, so she has two different faces on that one. So it's actually kind of fun. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick video. It's super cheap, easy, and the kids have a ton of fun. It's great for homeschoolers, for art time. And yeah, it's actually a game also so that you guys can play with your family and stuff. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.